Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 2nd for mathematics and today we are going to solve 10th worksheet. And the very first question is given, use a measuring tape and measure the length and breadth of the following. Again I am repeating the question, use a measuring tape. It means to measure any object we use a kind of tape, just like a scale. Scale is also a kind of measuring tape, and to measure the length and breadth of the following objects. Here it is not possible to just measure these length and breadth of these objects, so we will write only that to measure these objects length and breadth, which kind of measurement we will use. For example, your desk, the desk length of desk and breadth of desk we will measure in meter. Your classroom door, the classroom door will also measure in meter. Your blackboard is also in meter. A pen, since a pen is a very small object, so we'll measure this in centimeter. A book, of course, by using a scale we can measure the length and breadth of a book, so the measurement will be in centimeter. Okay students, see the next question number 2nd, and question 2nd is given, estimate the length of these objects using non-standard units of measurement and verify by actual measurement with a ruler. The question is, estimate the length of these objects. We have to check the length of these objects and non-standard units of measurement and verify by actual measurement with a ruler. Okay students, so how to write all these things? So here is a picture given of scale, and you can see that this is starting from 1 and ending with 17, and this will be 18. So approximate it is 18 centimeter. If we measure the size of this bat, this is approx 12 centimeter, and the length of this paint brush is approx 15 centimeter. Now we have to write actual length by using a scale. So if we take a scale and measure it, you will see that the length of this picture is just 6.5 centimeter, starting from 0, and this one is between 6 and 7, it means 6.5. So the actual length of this scale is 6.5 centimeter. See the figure of bat, and the length of this bat is approx 4.1 centimeter. 4.1 centimeter. See the next figure of paintbrush, starting from 0 and the last ending part is approx 5.3, exact is 5.3 centimeter. Okay students, see the next question number 3rd, and the question 3rd is given, write the correct units in the blanks. The first question is given, a piece of biscuit weighs about 10. इट मीन्स एक बिस्किट का जो पीस होता है उसका वेट अप्रोक्स कितना हो सकता है, 10 ग्राम. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और पेंसिल वेट्स अबाउट, एक पेंसिल का जो वेट है मतलब कितना हो सकता है, 20 ग्राम हो सकता है. सी द नेक्स्ट, सी अ लंच बॉक्स रफली वेट्स अबाउट, एक लंच बॉक्स होता है उसका वेट अगर जनरल देखा जाए तो कितना हो सकता है, 200 ग्राम हो सकता है. तो तीनों ही आंसर में वैल्यू क्या होगी, ग्राम. See the next question number 4th, and question 4th is given, fill the blanks with ml or L. ml means milliliter and L for liter. This is higher value and milliliter is lower value. And I would like to tell you that 1 liter means 1000 ml. Okay students, so the question is, a glass holds 200 ml. एक ग्लास में कितना पानी आ सकता है, 200 ml. We must drink at least 2 लीटर ऑफ वाटर डेली आपको कम से कम 2 लीटर वाटर जो है वो पीना चाहिए. सी द नेक्स्ट, द कैपेसिटी ऑफ अ वाटर टैंक इज 500 लीटर. कैपेसिटी ऑफ वाटर टैंक, पानी घर में जो पानी का टैंक होता है उसकी कैपेसिटी कम से कम ले हम तो क्या होती है 500 लीटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th एंड द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, फिल द ब्लैंक्स. द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ इज, लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट क्या होती है, मीटर. 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी mm, 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Next, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. The standard unit of measuring mass is gram. And 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay students, so worksheet 10th completed. Now you have to fill these answers in your worksheet, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.